Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Mishra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with 400 MCQs of literary theory and criticism. Dear friends, these questions are very useful for competitive exam. I have already completed from question number 1 to 309 up to part 13. This is part 14. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। डियर फ्रेंड्स, first question is question number 310. Question number first 310. Escam Roger was a writer and critic of the Oscar. Escam Roger was a writer and critic of the option A Jacobean period, option B classical period, option C Elizabethan period, and option D Augustan period. So the correct answer is Augustan period. Augustan period is the correct answer. यानी कि Escam Roger was the writer and critic of the Augustan period. So option D is the correct answer. Now question number 311. The question is a great critic of the Victorian period was greatly influenced by the classical writers like Goethe and the French writers like Saint-Beuve and Senancour. Who was that critic? So what will be the correct answer? These four options are given here. The first option is the first option is option A James Anthony, option B Freud, option C Walter Horatio Pater and Matthew Arnold. So the correct answer of this question is Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold is the correct answer. Option C. C is the correct answer. Now question number 312. Arnold laid stress on the subject of a poem, the preface to the poems, that it should be sublime and in a grand style. When was this preface published? So these four options are here. Option A 1850, option B 1851, option C 1852 and option D 1853. So the correct answer is option D 1853. Now question number 313. In On Translating Homer 1861 Matthew Arnold opined that the greatest master of the grand style were Homer, Dante and option A Chaucer, option B Milton, option C Johnson and option D Wordsworth. So option B Milton is the correct answer. Now question number 314. Arnold presents his touchstone method in option A the function of criticism, option B the study of poetry, option C influence of academies and option D the study of Celtic literature. So the correct answer is option B the study of poetry. Option B is the correct answer. Now question number 315. Question number 315. Name the critic whose work has become quite popular. Name the critic whose work has become quite popular, especially his theorization and politicization of the concept of festivity and carnival. Option A, Mikhail Bakhtin, Ascom Roger. Option C, Ronald Barthes. And option D, Belloc Hilaire. Belloc Hilaire. The correct answer is Mikhail Bakhtin. Option A is the correct answer. Now question number 316. Who is considered the most significant and influential of all structuralist and post-structuralist critics? Option A, critics. Option A, Beloy Hilaire. Option B, Mikhail. Option C, Ronald Barthes. And option D, Matthew Arnold. Matthew Arnold. So the correct answer is Roland Barthes. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 317. Which of the following is not a work of criticism by Ronald Barthes? Option A, Writing Degree 0, 1953. Option B, G, 1972. Option C, S by Z, 1979. And option D, The Pleasure of the Text, 1975. So the correct answer is B, G, 1972. Now question number 318. Who among the following wrote a number of books in collaboration with Jane Moore wherein in combined various media and genre like social and political analysis, poem and fiction? These four options: option A, Henry Bergson. Option B, Belloc Hilaire. Option C, Roland Barthes. And option D, John Berger. So option D, John Berger is the correct answer. Now question number 319. Identify the volume of essay which John Berger wrote and got published in 1960. Option A, Warp of Seeing. Option D, B, Permanent Red. Option C, Cocker Freedom. And option D, Another Way of Telling. So the correct answer is option B, Permanent Red. And question number 320. Identify a fragmentary documentary narrative by John Berger wherein the imposition of the order on political events is given. Option A, G, 1972. Option B, The Right. Option C, Pig Earth. Option D, The Foot of. So the correct answer is option A, G, 1972. Dear friends, these are some questions which are very important and useful for competitive exams. So listen as much as you can. Now question number 321. Identify 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 the Irish philosopher who wrote in the tradition of Descartes and John Locke, though he was the opponent of the latter. Option A, Henry Bergson. Option B, John Berger. Option C, George Becquerel. And option D, Roland Barthes. Roland Barthes. The correct answer is option C, George Becquerel is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 322. Which of the following is a work of George Becquerel? Option A, The Path in Rome. Option B, Pig Earth. Option C, A Seven Men. And option D, Dialogue of Elsie Frame. Dialogue of Elsie Frame. So the correct answer of this question is Dialogues of Elsie Frame. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 323. The critics suggest that all poetry seeks to exclude precursors text with which it enters into a struggle which is constructive as well as destructive. However, he fails to do so. Who is the critic? Option A, a map of misreading. Option B, The Ringers in the Tower. Option C, The Visionary Company. And option D, The Breaking of the Vessels. The correct answer is option A, A Map of Misreading. Now question number 325. Which group of intellectuals came into prominence in the 1920 under the influence of G.P. Moore, a Cambridge philosopher? Option A, Angry Young Men. Option B, Yale School of Poetry. Option C, Bloomsbury Group. And option D, Imagist Group of Poets. So option A and option C, Bloomsbury Group is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer, Bloomsbury Group. Now question number 326. Here friends, these questions are very useful. Now question number 326. Bloomsbury Group writers were innovators in art and represented in a significant section of the society of aphasia, British Academy, avant-garde or eclecticism. So option A, aphasia is the correct answer. Now question number 300. Question number 326. C number. C is the correct answer. Avant-garde. Now question number 327. Louis George Borges was a short story writer, essayist, and poet who wrote paradoxical and metaphysical stories, employing therein the element of science fiction, of detective story, of fantasy, and of philosophical speculation. He was from option A, Buenos Aires, option B, Rio de Janeiro, option C, Cape Town, and option D, Lisbon. So the correct answer is option A, Buenos Aires. Now question number 328. Dr. Johnson and James Boswell went on a tour in 1773. Option A, Sicily, option B, Naples, option C, Florence, and option D, Havre Havre. So the correct answer is Havre. Option D is the correct answer. Now question number 329. Boswell wrote a series of articles for the London magazine under the pseudonym option A, Lionel, option B, Hypochondriac, option C, Fitzgerald, and option D, Bruno. So the correct answer is Bruno. Option D is the correct answer. डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुँच सके. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट अ वर्क ऑफ Harvard Francis Bradley. Option A, Ethical Studies. Option B, Principle of Logic. Option C, Logogrithms. Option C, Afferences and Reality. So the correct answer is option C, Logogrithms. Option C is the correct answer. Now this is the last question, 331. In which year did Andre Breton launch surrealism with the publication of his Surrealist Manifesto? Option A, 1924, option B, 1923, option C, 1922, and option D, 1921. So the correct answer is 1924. डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई होप आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.